Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to reactivate your Twitter account or X account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Make sure your internet connection is stable for fast reactivate. Let's begin. Open your Twitter app. For reactivating your account, you just have to log back in. So let's see how you can do that. You can log in. I'll guide you through the steps of logging in. Already have an account, or you can do it by continue with Google. I'll show you how you can do it. Log in here. Enter your username or email address, phone number, anything. I've entered my username. I'll click on next. Enter your password. Copied my password, so I'll paste it. After entering your password, tap on login. They'll ask you for confirmation that you want to reactivate your account or not. So tap on yes, reactivate. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.